The Candlemakers don't want you to find this out. I don't shop anymore. To start today's tip in a pan, I will add 2 common candles. I will turn on low heat until melting the candles completely. Once I'm at this point, I'm going to remove the wick from the candles. We must separate. To use later, with the liquid I will remove from the fire and then put in a container where we will assemble our new scented candle. This candle has a minimum duration of 1 month. I'm sure your visitors will be impressed as soon as they see this tip in use in your home. Once I put all the melted candle, I will also use disinfectant being the main item to flavor during the use of the candle, and the ideal amount for the mixture is only 1 tablespoon. The ideal now is to mix well until the disinfectant is fully added to the candle to customize our candle. We will also use dye. The color can be your preference and can also divide the candle into several containers and preparing each with a different aroma and colors. As soon as add the dye, we should mix well. If necessary, we can add another amount of dye to bring the desired color. I will mix well, and only with these ingredients can I prepare a scented candle totally different from the candles sold in the markets. To finish, I will now also add the wick of the candle that we removed earlier. For this, I'm using a toothpick as a support for the wick. Once put this way, we will reserve until the liquid has hardened. This will surely be the best scented candle for the preparation in your home. Whenever you use it, you will bring the aroma that your home needs. This candle can be used in all rooms of your home. I even use it in the bathroom. And even after use, I keep the bathroom with a totally pleasant smell. If you prefer, you can also use this candle even in the office. If you prepare this candle in several containers and also with various aromas, you can have a different smell in each room of your home. I hope you have the desired result for this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm glad you're enjoying my tips. See you in the next video. Bye.